We'll start by grating a carrot on the big holes of a box grater, then mince up half of a red onion, finely dice some fresh rosemary, and chop up some fresh spinach. Add it all to a medium saucepan with chickpea flour, some water, salt and pepper, and olive oil, then whisk that up until no lumps remain. Then rod the bottom of a 9x13-inch baking dish with some olive oil, transfer the pot to the stove, and whisk it over medium heat. When it starts to thicken, switch to a rubber spatula and continue stirring and cooking until it becomes a thick porridge. Transfer that to the baking dish and spread it out into an even thickness. You'll need to work pretty quickly as the mixture is going to start to seize up and become hard to work with. Pop that in the fridge until it's totally cool and solidified, then invert it onto a cutting board and slice it into whatever shapes you'd like. Then heat plenty of extra virgin olive oil in a large cast iron skillet and gently place several pieces in, but be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them up until they're golden brown on both sides, and when they're done, remove them to drain on paper towels and immediately sprinkle with a hit of salt while they're still piping hot. Repeat with the rest and then go eat.